Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect a PlayStation or Xbox controller to your HP OMEN Transcend 14. So on your PlayStation controller you need to find out how to put it in pairing mode. So it will be pressing and holding on the PlayStation button and the share button at the same time until the light starts blinking blue. And on the Xbox controller, it'll have a button here in the front, which you need to press and hold for 3 seconds, and it'll put itself into pairing mode. Now, in order to connect it to your laptop, you should get to Settings. Then, go to Bluetooth and Devices and click on Add Device. For PlayStation controllers, you need to go to Bluetooth. For Xbox controllers, you can either select everything else, and here it may connect with Xbox controller. If it doesn't, then go to Bluetooth. And now I'm gonna put the controller in pairing mode first. So let's press and hold. Now it's in the pairing mode, so I can click on Bluetooth. And it shows me the DualSense wireless controller, and it is connected. So I can click on Done, and now I can use it in games or whatever. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.